Do you know that you can make money from watching ads on this ads EVM bot? Yes, you can receive your payment to your Binance account. Okay, all you need to do is click on the link in the description of this video and you get to this page. All right, and all you need to do is to click here first to join their channel, their Telegram channel. Just click on it to take you to the Telegram channel. Then you join. All right, this is it. So we click on join. Right, as you can see, we have 42,900 subscribers already. So let's go back to the bot. All right, and then we'll click on continue. Okay, it's very simple. You need to get instant rewards, get scratch cards for every task. The referral program you earn by inviting your friends, instant payouts, you get your ads, which is equal to payouts anytime. Right, all right. This ads EVM bot, they have raised about $2.2 million in round seed round to grow bots and attract investors. Okay, so just continue click on continue. All right, it's loading. We'll give it some time. You see, this is my user ID. This is my account right now. So now you complete 50 ads per day, right? This is your daily progress, this is your hourly progress, right? So you all you need to do is, there is daily task 1, there is daily task 2. All you need to do is to click on claim ads, claim now ads. Just click on it, and then you see this is the ad. The ad is loading, all right? Don't click on anything else on this ad page, right? Allow this countdown to elapse. This countdown, just check it. You understand? All you need to do is click here after the countdown. You click here, right? It's just like 5 seconds ad, right? So our reward, we've gotten 0.05 ads. All right, so we click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, so we have 49 more ads to go, right? So we click on it again and watch another one. Click on it again and watch another one, right? This one is like 10 seconds ads, so we have just 3 seconds left, and then we'll click on cancel, right, to go back. And then congratulations, we click on OK. That is how you watch this ads. Okay, it's very simple. So I'm going to pause this video and complete all the 50 tasks and get back to you. But before then, let's continue. There are a bunch of tasks to do on this bot. There are a bunch of tasks. Subscribe to their YouTube channel and you claim your bonus, right? Follow their Facebook, give their Facebook page a follow and a like. You claim bonus. Like, complete all these tasks. There are a bunch of them to do, right? You just have to do them. You just have to do them, okay? You just have to do them and do them right. Okay, so let's click on the rewards page. So I just checked in for today. So I just click on OK. All right. So I just checked in for today. All you need to do is click on check in and watch an ad. Then your check-in will be completed. Then you continue. All right. Continue like that. Please just maintain a streak and your other thing will increase faster. Right. So now for the referral part, you need to refer your friends. All right. It's not compulsory though, but if you have friends, I'm sure you have 1 or 2 friends out there on social media. You need to send your link to them, let them join. All right, so let's click on wallet, and you need to create your EVM wallet. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to create an EVM wallet, all right, so that you can withdraw your money. Okay, you can withdraw your money to your Binance, and please take this very, very seriously, okay, because you never can tell. You never can tell. There are a bunch of other things to do, a bunch of other things. Make sure you do them. Apart from watching ads, make sure you watch your ads and perform other tasks so that you'll be able to meet your minimum withdrawal and cash it out. All right, so that will be it for this video, and I would like to see you in the next one. If you do have any questions or challenges, please leave it in the comments and I'll attend to it.